Auto insurance is a type of insurance coverage that protects individuals and businesses from financial loss in case of accidents involving vehicles. There are several types of auto insurance coverages available, each designed to address public specific needs and risk. Here are some common types of auto insurance. Number one, liability insurance. This is the most basic and required type of auto insurance in many places. It covers the cost of bodily injury and property damage that you may cause to other people in an accident where you are at fault. Collision insurance. This coverage pays for the damage to your vehicle in the event of an collision with another vehicle or an object, regardless of fault. Comprehensive insurance. Comprehensive insurance covers damages to your vehicle caused by events other than collisions, such as theft, vandalism, fire, falling objects, or natural disasters. Uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. This type of insurance provides protection if you are involved in an accident with a driver who has little or no insurance coverage. Personal injury protection (PIP) or medical payments coverage. PIP covers medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs for you and your passengers in case of an accident, regardless of fault. Gap insurance. If you have a lease or loan on your vehicle, gap insurance can help recover the difference between the amount you owe on the vehicle and its actual cash value in case of total loss. Towing and labor coverage. This optional coverage helps pay for the cost of towing your vehicle and any labor charges such as a tire change or jump start. Rental refurbishment. If your car is in the shop for repairs after an accident, rental refurbishment coverage can help cover the lost cost of renting a temporary replacement vehicle. Usage-based insurance (UBI). Some insurers offer UBI programs where your premium is based on your driving behavior such as mileage, speed, braking, and time of the day. Keep in mind that the availability and specifics of these auto insurance types can vary depending on your location and the insurance company you choose. When purchasing auto insurance, it's essential to consider your needs and budget while complying with any legal requirements in your area. Insurance company rankings and customer experience can change over time, so it's essential to research the most recent reviews and ratings. However, the following auto insurance companies were often considered among the best in United States based on their financial strength, customer service, and overall reputation. State Farm, one of the largest auto insurance providers in the US, known for its extensive agent network, diverse coverage options, and strong customer service. Geico, famous for its catchy commercials and competitive rates, Geico offers a user-friendly online platform and a variety of discounts. Progressive, well regarded for its innovative pricing model and robust online tools, Progressive provides various coverage options and discounts. Allstate, known for its comprehensive coverage options and extensive agent network, Allstate has been a prominent player in the industry insurance for many years. USAA, primarily serving military members and their families, USAA consistently receives high customer satisfaction ratings for its excellent service. Amica Mutual, praised for its exceptional customer service and loyalty, Amica is a mutual insurance company that often receives a positive reviews from policyholders. Nationwide offers a wide range of coverage options, including unique ones like vanishing deductible and providing good customer support. Farmers Insurance. Farmers is known for its customizable policies and a variety of coverage options for various types of vehicles. Liberty Mutual offers several coverage options and discounts and provides useful online tools for policy management. Travelers, a well-established insurance company with a long history, Travelers offers various coverage options and discounts. Remember that the best auto industry insurance company can vary depending on the individual needs, location, driving record, and other factors. It's crucial to compare quotes, read customer reviews, and consider the coverage options that align with your specific requirements when selecting an auto insurance provider. Additionally, insurance companies may have changed their offerings and rankings since the last update, so it's a good idea to research the latest information before making a decision. Allstate Insurance is one of the largest and well-known insurance providers in the United States. The company offers a wide range of insurance products, including auto insurance, home insurance, renters insurance, life insurance, and more. It was founded in 1931 and has been since grown to become one of the leading insurers of the country. Some key features of and aspects of Allstate Insurance include auto insurance. Allstate's auto insurance policies offer coverage for bodily injury and property damage liability, collision and comprehensive coverage, medical payments, uninsured, underinsured, motorist coverage, and more. They also provide various discounts such as safe driving discounts, multi-policy discounts, and more. Home insurance. Allstate offers home insurance, medical payments, uninsured insurance, underinsurance, motorist coverage, and more. Providing coverage. They also provide for property damage discounts such as personal liability, safe driving discounts, multi-policy discounts, and more. Life insurance. Home insurance. Allstate provides various life insurance, including term life, homeowners insurance, whole life insurance, and universal life insurance, providing coverage for property damage, financially, personal liability, passing, and additional living expenses, and more. Allstate offers life insurance. Digital Allstate provides a mobile app that allows customers to manage term life insurance, file whole life insurance, and universal life insurance easily to protect claim satisfaction guarantee financially in case of your claim satisfaction guarantee. Which digital tools? If you are not satisfied with the claim service, you can digital tool 6-month and mobile app that allows customers to manage nationwide policies, file claims as a wide and access resources easily. Now, claim satisfaction guarantees, making it convenient for claim satisfaction guarantee, which means if you are not satisfied with the claim service, you can receive up to 6-month credit on your premium. Strong presence and positive nationwide presence. The best insurance company for you will wide on your specific needs, location, and personal factors and offices across the United States, making it convenient for customers to access their services, coverage option, and it is important to note that to make while informed decision. Strong presence and positive reputation. The best insurance company for you will depend on your specific needs, location, and the personal factors. When considering Allstate or any other insurance provider, be sure to compare quotes, coverage option, and read customer reviews to make an informed decision.